How can I make money online as a retiree? Here's the honest answer nobody told you. Have you noticed that retirement isn't quite what you expected? You did everything right. You worked for decades. You saved. You planned. And on top of that, you looked forward to the day when you could finally slow down and enjoy life that you planned. But now, every trip to the grocery store feels more expensive. Fuel costs more. Medical expenses keep rising. Insurance premiums seem to increase every single year. And your retirement income isn't stretching nearly as far as it did just a few years ago. If you found yourself lying awake at night wondering, how long will my money last? Or is there a way to earn extra income without going back to a traditional job? Is there a way to earn extra income without going back to a traditional job? Then this video is definitely for you. Hi, I'm Paul, and today I want to answer one of the most common questions retirees are asking right now. How can I make money online as a beginner? Stay with me because what I'm about to share with you may completely change how you think about retirement income. When most of us imagined retirement, we pictured freedom, more travel, more family time, more hobbies, and less stress. But the economy had other plans. Many retirees are discovering that the retirement they saved for 20 years ago is not the retirement they're living today. Food costs have increased. Energy costs have increased. Healthcare costs have increased. And every year, inflation quietly steals a little more of your purchasing power. It's not because you failed, it's because the rules have changed. And that's forced many retirees to ask a difficult question. Do I cut back on my lifestyle or find another source of income? Years ago, earning extra income usually meant taking another job, working longer hours, driving for deliveries, standing behind a counter, doing physical, demanding work. But today, something has changed. The internet has created opportunities that simply didn't exist when many of us started our careers. Today, you can build income from home, from your laptop, from your phone, without commuting, without inventory, and without employees, without needing advanced technical skills. And that's why more retirees than ever are searching for, how can I make money online? How can retirees earn from home? How can I supplement my retirement income? When retirees start researching online income, they often feel overwhelmed. One person says, start a YouTube channel. Another says, buy cryptocurrency. Someone else says, start a dropshipping store. Then another says, learn day trading. Before long, you're confused, frustrated, and no closer to earning anything. The truth is simple. You don't need 10 income strategies. You need one strategy you can learn and consistently apply. The internet rewards focus, not complexity, not perfection, focus. And for many retirees, one of the simplest online business models to understand is affiliate marketing. Now let me explain. Affiliate marketing is not creating products. It's not managing stock. It's not handling customer complaints. It's not renting office space. It's simply recommending products or services that can solve problems for people. Then someone purchases through your referral, you earn a commission. That's it. The reason I like the model is because it allows ordinary people to start without needing to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to create the product. You don't need years of technical experience. You simply learn how to connect people with solutions. For retirees looking for flexibility and simplicity, that can be a powerful combination. If I had to start from scratch today as a retiree, that's exactly what I would do. First, I'd stop trying to learn everything. Second, I'd choose one platform. One, not five. Third, I'd focus on helping people solve problems. Answer questions people are already asking. Questions like, how do I earn extra retirement income? How do I make money online as a beginner? How do I protect myself from inflation? Fourth, I'd commit learning for at least 90 days. Not because the results take forever, but because consistency beats intensity every single time. Most people quit just before things start working. Here's something I've learned. Most retirees aren't looking to become millionaires. They're looking for peace of minds. They want to stop worrying every time they visit the grocery store. They want to fill their car without stress. They want to enjoy retirement without constantly checking their bank account. They want options. And having additional income can provide exactly that. The goal isn't necessarily wealth. The goal is freedom. The goal is security. The goal is enjoying the retirement you've worked your entire life to achieve. Hi, I'm Paul, and if you're tired of watching your retirement income lose ground to rising costs and you'd like to learn more about the beginner-friendly online business model that helped me to get started, type read in the comments or follow the link in my bio. Remember this, the people who succeed online aren't always the most technical, they aren't always the youngest, and they certainly aren't always the smartest. They're often people who simply decided that the future was worth learning something new for, and that decision can change everything for you. Follow the next video to find out more about the systems and reinventing your retirement.